Students, very good morning. So hopefully this is gonna be a more maybe 31 30 second maybe my classes, and till the classes I have seen that I have already, my computer screen, I'm seeing the classes which I have already gone through. Okay, last day I have talked to you about narration. Today I'm just going to discuss you about the previous discussion and a new one, that is of course the narration. Narration was, I have taught you, I have already discussed about that narration is in interrogative sentences, assertive sentences, exclamatory. But regarding interrogative sentences, I'm going to give you some examples. But before that, I would like to address the students of class 11, for whom I have already given the task of in time of breaking combination, the total summary. Hope I have already uploaded, but by mistake, if I have uploaded it again, it might be for the second time. But take care of the matter. One thing is very clear, that the second time the summary is, I think, more attractive than the previous one. So the summary is at all needed for you. Write down all those things in time of breaking combination. And regarding ESP, if we are going that portion, okay, let me concentrate over there. Okay, in ESP, that is you are just asked to, for the class 12 student, let me just remind you one thing, that you have 3 questions. We have done the parrots training, we have done the face of Judas Iscariot is not yet done. I remember, we have done break, we have done the send up, of course we have done. If I have not done it, if I am telling you that I have done, if I am making any mistake, so please remind me or edit me after that. And in grammar, narration change, voice change we have done, and transformation of sentences. That is an important part. We'd like to tell you that transformation is, I am very much eager to go through. So it depends on you how much you are replying. I'm waiting for your reply. Go through in time of breaking combination, and let me discuss you about the narration's interrogative sentence. I told you earlier, yesterday's class, narration. What is narration? Narration means to narrate something or incident, some incident when we are talking, I and you. When we are talking in a second person status, first and second person status. Just hold on a second. Hold on a second. Yeah, thank you. When we are talking in first and second person, mind it, first and second person, that is called direct speech. But when we are transferring this speech to another person, it is third person, and this is called narration. Suppose I say to my mother, comma, inverted comma, how are you? That should be changed. I asked my mother how she was. Okay? I told Reshma, where do you live? I asked Reshma where she lived. The format was at it is, the format would be the same. Present indefinite should be changed into past indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, past indefinite, past perfect. These are the common changes which we need to go through. But apart from that, the examples I'm going to upload, you have to practice. Just keep on concentrating. The reporting verb, you have to change it into asked. Then the same format, where there is a WH word, you put the WH word. When there is a normal, there is no WH word, you have to put it if. Suppose I say to the boy, do you like to take medicines? I asked the boy if he liked to take medicine. Look at the changes. When I used how or who or WH word, anything, you have to put the WH word. But when I am using any helping verb, you have to put if. This is the difference in between the assertive and interrogative sentences. One thing in this regard I would like to make you clear, that interrogative sentence is very much formative. There is no such transition or transformation you are gonna get or experience. One thing is very clear, if you are got to clear about your formulas, what I have already uploaded, if you are completely clear, I think you will face no problem. If in that case, when you are facing problem, in the case of voice changes, because there are some, lots of transitions, there are a lot of ambiguities are there. So take care of the matter. Now it's gonna be a short video, because I'm just gonna remind you about that, whatever we have done. And for one thing I'd like to tell you for class 7, just hold on a second. Class 11, we have already done the portions of class 11s. We have done Lalaji, Cinderella, the school that I would like. The solitary dependent poetry in time of breaking of nation, the owl. Okay, owl we have not done, class 11. And the death trap by H.H. Munro. So from the next class, I like to tell you, from the next class, we are going to start with the drama for both the classes, for 11 and 12. And let's us stop the, let us stop some for some days, the grammar. Okay. After all, according to your inquiry, we are going to start it. Okay. So do the practices at your home. Send me lot of examples, lot of experiences, what you are facing with, and then I will of course get you in touch with. Okay. Take care. Goodbye. See you soon by tomorrow.